Hello everyone. Here we have a simple exponential equation here. It looks so confusing, but I will show you a simple trick to solving this. All right, the question is bracket open x minus 1 close bracket all raised to the power of x equal to 81. What is the value of x that will satisfy this challenge? So we take our solution here. Okay, now from here, the first thing we're going to do here is to look at the right hand side quantity, which is 81, and try to break it down, keeping in mind what we have on the left hand side of the equation. So we have our x minus 1 all to the power of x is equal to, here 81 could be written as 9 times 9. Okay, so with this, we further break this down to our simplest unit, which is 3 to the power of 2. Okay, let's just put it down here. So this same thing as our 3 to the power of 2, times 3 to the power of 2. Okay, on this side we have here, and this raised to the power of this. Now we apply the multiplication law in indices. We see that your a to the power of m times a to the power of let's say n, this is equal to our a to the power of m plus n. So if we succumb to that, we're going to have this to be bracket x minus 1 all raised to the power of x equal to our 3 to the power of 2 plus 2, which is equals to 3 to the power of 4. Wow. So we can rewrite this as our bracket x minus 1 all raised to the power of x equal to our 3 raised to the power of 4. Believe there's no confusion here, right? Good. Now look at the quantity we have inside here. And look at the quantity we have inside here. Here we are having x minus 1 raised to power x. So can we get a number we subtract from 1, then raised to that same number? So we think of rewriting this 3. Okay, so writing this 3 can be written as our 4 minus 1. And we are having 4 at the exponent already. So we can now go here and do some comparison. So we have here bracket x minus 1 all raised to the power of x is equal to bracket 4 minus 1 all raised to the power of 4. So what does that imply? It means that x is equal to 4. Wow. So if x is equal to 4, let's do a simple verification. So let's take a check here. So checking, we have our original equation x minus 1 all raised to the power of x equal to 81, right? Good. So wherever we see x, we want to put in 4 there. So we're going to have here 4 here, then minus our 1 all raised to the power of 4 equals to 81. And so if we continue, this is going to give us 3 to the power of our 4 is equal to our 81. And what is 3 to the power of 4? It means our 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, okay, equals to our 81. So 3 times 3 will give us our 9, times 3 will give us 27, 27 times 3 will give us 81. So end up having 81 is equal to 81. So this shows that the answer which we solve for the root x equal to our 4 actually satisfy the original equation. So this is how you solve challenges of this kind. Thank you.